my god, I am actually dead.
I have to let the song finish. Driving around and playing the entire new Taylor Swift album through. I'm going to a new coffee place today. It's called Thump in Bend. And I just parked. I'm gonna go get some coffee to go and drive around and blast all the songs and just live my best life. Today's Friday. I've been doing work all morning and I just picked up the camera as I was leaving this afternoon. Much excitement. This whole album is just so good. I listened to it at the very end of my last vlog for the first time, but I feel like it's a different experience the first time you hear it through an album and then playing it later in different places. And like I said before, listening to music in the car is just the ultimate music experience. So okay, let's get some coffee. It was so cute in there. I am about to try the coffee, very excited. There were actually people sitting outside and drinking coffee and stuff, and it is freezing today. It was actually snowing this morning. It's 39 right now. But I mean, they had a fireplace and stuff, and they don't really have a choice because there's no indoor dining, but this is super full. Ooh. I got a cold brew with oat milk, of course, and a pump of vanilla this time. It's so good, it's so smooth. This reminds me of a place I would go in Brooklyn all the time. I got recommended to come here from someone on Instagram because I went to this other coffee place that I really liked in the past, and I went and they weren't, like, the employees weren't wearing masks, and it made me very uncomfortable. So I'm not going there anymore. So someone reached out to me on Instagram and told me to try Thump, and I really like it. So if you're in Central Oregon, if you're in Bend, I think they have them in Colorado also. Kind of random. We'll just park next to me, so I'm gonna turn this camera off and continue to play my queue of Taylor Swift songs. Next we have Gold Rush, which I remember loving. Okay, just started my run and I took a different path. Look at this view. Okay, I officially finished week 2 today and I feel really good about it. I feel like I'm still pushing myself, but slowly getting better, so. Okay, hello, it is Sunday now. I really haven't been vlogging. I've been laying low this weekend. It has been snowing. It snowed this morning. It's kind of melted already because it's getting up to like 40 something today, but we're gonna take a little drive and explore a new place. I'm trying to see some new outdoor places while I'm home. So we're gonna go to Newberry Volcano, I think it's called. Should be cool. Walk around, see some sights. Let's do it. We're gonna get stuck.
There's nobody out here, and one of the warnings they gave is that if you go out into the hinterlands like this, they're not coming after you because they don't have enough people.
Still is new time.
Okay.
Where they park.
Their car's over there in the woods. Okay, we're here. It's like empty. There's no one around. My mom's staying in the car because she did not expect it to be this much snow to be walking in, because the trail, this is the trail. The trails are just like not taken care of because there's really no one out here. But this is the volcano monument. Oh, my dad's up there walking. I should catch up to him. But I know this is the trail because there's signs that say stay on trail and there's little placards and stuff. But how cool is this? It is gorgeous out here. And it's kind of fun to like be walking on snow. Well, there's some footprints, but mostly fresh snow. It's pretty cool. Okay, trying to find my dad. Oh, there he is. How did he get there so fast? I'm just Walking through the snow. Walking in a winter wonderland. Truly. The snow did not stick at our place, but up here in the mountains by the volcano, it has. Here's one of the placards. Here's the trail. It's all around. The visitor center is back behind us. And the lava flow area is that. So it must be the mound. 10,000 years. Wow. Dad! Wait for me. Oh, so the trail winds through the rocks, it looks like. Wow.
Just get up close to the trail, get a picture of you.
Okay. All over the volcanic rock, the snow looks even cooler. Just keeps getting cooler as you go up. Wow. Like, look at all this volcanic rock covered in snow. Oh, I see a break in the clouds. Look at it. The closer we get, the cooler it is. I lost my dad somewhere because I keep stopping and just like gaping at it and taking pictures, but it's so cool. And I love that there's no one here. Like, we have this place to ourselves, this entire volcanic area. Talk about social distancing, but it's so gorgeous.
And you can either belong to it or not, no matter where you live in the area.
Cute. It's a bunch of little shops at Sun River. COVID test site over there. To the right, it says COVID testing in the window. Immediate care. I think the Sun River Resort is where they have like a big tree and stuff. Very picturesque.
We just had garbage area.
Wow, even more picturesque. Should we rent some snowmobiles? Could be a fun adventure.
Really, we should do that.
Mom, you want a snowmobile? I would pay to see it.
Remember we did that in Lake Tahoe.
Yeah, many years ago.
I had wrecked my ankle.
Right, see, this is why I can't picture it. Driving around through Sun River now.
Up to 6 feet on the Newberry volcano.
Where is Mizana? In Idaho, you said?
Many of the lava flows in its slopes. Well, that's why I was asking you who knew. I don't know where that is.
I'm surprised it didn't say.
Yeah, me too. I have to click on it to see.
So a different mountain erupted after that one and got ash on it. Is that what it's saying?
Yeah, that it built up, I guess it helped build up the size of this place.
Learning history. Drinking coffee.
No.
We're out of collagen, so I got a packet. Hello friends, it is now Monday morning. I figure I'll leave this last day to this vlog and put these 3 together. I usually am doing 2 days in a vlog and vlogmas, but this one's stretching a little more. Today is Monday and I hoped to get this, I've been editing all morning and I hope to get this video done before lunch, and I have, because it's 11:26 and I'm just adding on the end card and music and everything. I'm trying to decide if I want to upload it today or hold off until tomorrow. I was gonna upload it yesterday, so maybe I'll just upload it today. This is from like the end of last week, so I'm definitely a little bit behind, but I told myself I was gonna edit this weekend and I really didn't do any work this weekend. Saturday, I didn't do anything. Like, I just laid around. It was so relaxed, I will say, instead of lazy. And then yesterday I spent the whole day with my family. As you guys know, we went to the volcano and then we came back. I didn't really film anything in the evening, but we came back and made dinner with salmon, opened the advent calendar, and then we started watching The Queen's Gambit, which everyone has been talking about. All my friends are obsessed with it. So we finally started watching it. We watched 2 episodes and it was really good, so I'm excited to watch the rest. So I just didn't really film any of that, but it's been a chill morning. I'm gonna track my set active order right now because it's supposed to be delivered today and I'm super excited to try it. Probably do a little like try on clip with you guys in today's vlog if it comes early enough. We actually usually get the mail pretty late in the day, so we'll see. As far as daylight, I want to go on a run again. It was snowy yesterday, but it's pretty much all gone today. I don't think it snowed overnight even, like it might have said on the weather app, but that means that there won't be too much ice for me to slip on if I run. So it's been a couple days. Need to finish the thumbnail for this video and upload it, and then eat some lunch, and that's the difficult end of life. I went for a drive and picked up the mail, and I got a package from my friend Sophie, who sent me a gift for Christmas, which is so exciting. So she's been texting me like every single day because she was worried that it got lost in the mail because she sent it a while ago. But again, I think USPS is just adding some extra time because of all of the online orders coming through. So it says expected delivery day 12/7/20, and it is a week later, but that's okay. It came safe and sound, so I'm gonna open it on camera, mostly because I want Sophie to be able to watch me open it. So hey Soph, thank you so much. I love you. This is so sweet. I have absolutely no inkling of what it is, but I know that she's very much on top of her shit when it comes to Christmas presents, because she was texting me about them like at the beginning of the month. Oh, cute. A little pumpkin cheesecake, cupcake, hand sanitizer. First of all, amazing. Definitely can't have too much of that. Cute. Oh my god. An avocado. Thanks, I fucking love it. This is too good. Freaking love that video. Unfortunately, I did not get you an avocado for Christmas, but that would have been funny. I did, however, get you the next best thing. Love you, dude. Merry Christmas. Oh my god. I think I know what this is because I saw some of it through the paper and the way that she signed it. Oh my god. I am actually dead. This is the best gift. Sophie got me a 4 Seasons Total Landscaping mug. Oh my god. Look at that. 4 Seasons Total Landscaping. Philadelphia, not the hotel. This is iconic. Thank you, Sophie. You are a queen. I can't wait to drink coffee out of this. Also, my Couch to 5K app just gave me a notice. It's like, time to dust off your running shoes and get back to it. Yes, I know. I actually should be going right now, but I want to open this present. Okay, an icon, a star, a legend, Sophie Jackson. Thank you so much. I think my lungs are finally getting used to running. 2 weeks in, I'm actually like getting the hang of it. Guys, I just got a Christmas card in the mail from Megan and Finley, which is so cute. Look at them. And their pigs and their dogs. I'm obsessed. So thanks for sending this to me, Meg. It's very cute. Also got my Set Active package, which I'm super stoked about, and I will try on with you guys. I got 1 set of the same color, so I've heard such good things. I've like hyped this up a lot in my head. So, and I ordered this on Black Friday, so it's been a few weeks. I've been meaning to try Set Active for a while. It's been a long time since I've tried a new workout brand, honestly. Ooh, that's loud. So, what I got is the Sculpt Flex leggings and ribbed V top. I've heard a lot of good things about the ribbed V, and I feel like it's the one that would be most flattering on me personally. And I got them both in the color Slate, which is like a gray, dark gray kind of color. Oh, it's like bluish gray. I got the leggings in a medium. I think I watched my friend Bianca's video because she wears a lot of Set Active, and kind of try to get a feel from it from her. It's like a lighter gray than I thought, actually. I hope this doesn't show sweat, but it feels super compressing. It's got the double waistband. Oh my god, these feel really nice. Cuffed at the bottom, good stitching, seamless. Nice. They look pretty plain besides like lines on the sides. And they say set at the bottom. Now these feel pretty solid. I hope they look good. I got the leggings in a medium, and then I got the ribbed V top in a large just because I didn't want it to be too tight and suffocating on me. I also thought it looked kind of short, so I'd rather it be on the long side. I was going to be between sizes, and this was sold out for the longest time. I think back in September I tried looking for the ribbed V in this color and it was sold out, and then finally I checked on Black Friday and it was there. So I got it on sale. I want to say $45 for the leggings and $33 for the top. I am slightly concerned that this isn't padded. But it might not be like best suited for my chest, but yeah, it looks kind of short. This is the large again, which I'm glad I got because it looks kind of small, but I'm sure it'll stretch. Yeah, pretty simple. That's what Set Active is kind of known for. Simple but effective. Thinner halter straps, and then it says Set on the bottom there, their logo. Let's try them on. I don't have any self tanner on right now, so probably not gonna be my best look. Okay, I definitely don't think this is the most flattering style on me. I like the top. It probably, I could have done a medium just so it'd be like a little more compressing. Like, I don't know if I'd want to run in this, but that's just me. But otherwise, like, it fits nicely. It's just like too light for me personally. Like, I should have gone with a dark gunmetal-y. But they fit really nice. They feel really nice. I just feel like they show too much. I feel like I would just be adjusting them constantly, but maybe that's just because I'm not like my most confident at the moment. But you know, That's okay. I'll just maybe go for a different color, but I really like the fit and the feel of them. Nice texture all the way down the leg, and they feel really high quality. So I'm gonna run in them today and see how it goes. Just got back from my run, and you can definitely see the sweat lines on the top. The bottom's not so much. There's a little bit, not really on the back. It's shadow. I really like the leggings for running. They felt really good. They stayed up the whole time. The top, not the most supportive thing, like I said. Let me know which colorway you guys like best if you've tried Set Active. If there's like, I don't know. Black seemed just kind of plain, and I have a lot of black workout clothes already, so I wanted to do something else, but there's a reason I like dark workout clothes. Okay, hello, it's the next day now. This vlog I know has kind of been all over the place, like spanning a few days, and I haven't really been consistently filming. It's just kind of like sporadic. But I think I'm going to end it now because I want to upload it for you guys tomorrow. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm just getting ready right now. It was a fun little outing with the fam, doing something outside and exploring around, trying on the new Set Active pieces. I think I showed you guys after my run, but it definitely showed sweat. So I really like the design, but I feel like I should have gotten a different color is my consensus on Set Active. I have a ton of colorways, so I don't know why I was dead set on that. But so yeah, that pretty much wraps up the last few days. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will see you in my next one very soon. Happy Vlogmas. Once again, we're getting down to the wire. I can't believe, I mean, not that I'm actually like doing Vlogmas, but you know what I mean? Like, it's already the 16th today, which is like less than 10 days till Christmas. Okay, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already.